So in the first task, we have created this file with all the basic HTML tags. So the second task for this internship series will be creating CSS. Basically, we will be adding CSS in these HTML tags. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet, which basically means that you can add better visual to your code. For example, currently it's looking like black and white. Then we have this link in the blue. Here we have used the highlighted tag. That's why it's getting yellow. Otherwise, everything is in black and white format. Okay. Now, if I want the background to be, for example, blue, okay, or of any other colors. So to these kind of options, we use CSS. To perform these operations, we use CSS. And CSS can be added in two ways. One is using the files. Basically, we can import these files in each other and we can use that. The second one is the inline CSS. Inline CSS basically means you can apply a specific color or specific font size or text on a specific tag. For example, in this example, I have added the style attribute. So basically, you can add attributes to the HTML tags. Those are responsible for your styling. Okay. Now, if you see, I have added a style attribute on the body tag where basically I am setting the font family to Arial, then like both the character formats, then I am adding a margin of 20 pixel, then I am setting the background color to okay, I guess it's white only, and then I am using the color as little black. Okay, then for example, this is a strong. So basically on this paragraph tag, we have another tag named as strong, and on this tag I am adding the CSS. So to add CSS, again we have to add the style attribute, and here we are adding the color as red. So we will be seeing this strong text in red color. Okay, again to preview the file, you can just copy the file path and you can paste it in your browser. For example, I have added it here and you can just hit enter. Now you see the difference between both the pages. Here we have just a black and white screen. On the other hand, here we have a colorful website. Okay, you can see the strong text in the red color. Okay, so that's the beauty of CSS. Now this is one way of adding CSS, that we can just add a style tag, style attribute, and we can attach our colors and everything there. Okay, look how pretty this website is looking now. It's not great yet. We will be adding a few more features in this. Okay, so this will be our second task. Okay, as part of the internship, and see you in the third one.